Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So here we are with another tutorial, a lovely smiley face on the screen. And today guys, we are going to be looking at how to export transparent high definition images inside GIMP. So to be honest, it's pretty simple, okay? There's not much to it, pretty similar to the previous tutorial that we've done. So at the top, to export this, first of all, I just want to highlight, before you start exporting anything, click on File and Export. You want to make sure that your image is transparent. So what I say is that you have the background, as you can see on here. We need to make sure that we turn off the background and turn on the smiley face. The squares behind the screen that you guys can see on here demonstrate and illustrate that is a transparent image with no background. Okay, so once we have that and we're pretty happy that we've got a transparent image, we can then export this. Again, pretty simple tutorial this. All you got to do is click on File, Export As, and set your path. And I'm just gonna, this is the window that you're gonna get up. Pretty simple. You just got to make sure that you set the right path, and you want to make sure that you save it as whatever you're saving. So I don't know, smiley face emoji .png. It's very important that you name it PNG. If you don't name it PNG, it won't be transparent. Once we name it PNG, we click on Export, and for the best transparent pixels, save color values for transparent pixels. You want to select this and save background color as well. Want to make sure you select everything on here. Okay, so this is what you're going to see on your screen, and click export. Now if you guys have missed that, let me try that again. There it is, it's been saved. Okay, export, replace. Now this is going to throw up this menu. Now one thing I just wanted to highlight there, this is the biggest compression. If you have this set to 9, it's going to compress the image and make it smaller. Okay, we want to make this, set this to 0 to have the most highest definition. So I'm going to export this again and call this high res. The previous settings that you saw me do, it's for like websites and stuff. This settings that I'm showing you now, it's for high resolution pictures that you're editing, photos, or anything that you want high res. So click on export, and again set that to 0. Make sure you have interlacing turned off, gamma turned off, and save layer offset. Those three, everything else ticked, automatic pixels, and export. And what this will do, guys, is it will basically show us, if we head over to the folder that we saved it, we have exported this twice. And you guys can see here on the screen, we've got 2 images. And if we sort these by view and details, you can see we've got one that's 8 megabytes and one that's 523. So let's open these up. So here they are, and trust me, these are transparent. So this is one of the images, and if we head over to the smiley face, this is the lower res image. If we zoom in, looks pretty cool, but let's not forget that the high res, where we took the compression down to 0, this one, the high res, bam, you can see that black when it loads up. That means it's transparent. Let's try that again. Boom, there. So we can pretty much take this now and drag it into GIMP. So and once we drag it into GIMP, we'll have another window on there. Now we've got the image twice. So as you guys can see, we can pretty much drag it in as many times we want. drag it in one more time, and bam, there it is again. Got plenty of smiley faces. And yeah, plenty of smiley faces, but let's not hide the one in the background. That is pretty much how you export high definition PNGs, and you can play around inside GIMP and yeah, do whatever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This is probably one of the most simplest tutorials I've done. Got weekly videos coming out, so make sure you subscribe. Gonna do some videos on DaVinci, more on GIMP, and then more on photo editing, retouching, and making a fat person skinny, and a lot of pretty cool things like how to lose muscles, how to lose weight, remove wrinkles, and how to remove spots and everything inside GIMP. Peace out, subscribe, ciao.